that was just a little intro. It's not really an intro. It's just that. So I just wanted to show you my slime that I'm playing with today. So it's just so good, right? Okay. It's just so good. They make some really weird sounds. So it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you another one. And this is one which is super big. So, and it's gonna be in something that you're gonna be unexpected for. It's in this container. It's in this, like, really, but it just looks like this. It's purple. I have a lot of purple slimes. Like, it's just so pretty. I might, my friend's making me slime, and I might add it to this one, but it's gonna be crunchy. So yeah, like, let's listen to this slime. Let's listen. Turn off a flashlight. Oh. Oh, noises. 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 This is what I look like with glasses on, by the way, guys. So I'm going to be wearing these for the rest of the video. This one, though, is so amazing. So, yes, it's just so good. So good. So I'm just going to get another slime that's pretty stretchy. I mean, that slime isn't the best. Like, so, I put that one next. So I just got this pink slime. It's really pretty. So, it smells super good too. So. Oh, it's just like the purple one though. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get the pretty nice foamy one out. So, yeah. I'm just going to show you that one. I'm going to close my door first. You're going to need to close your door. So, yeah. Just going to flip the camera. Foamy Wonderland. Right there. So, just going to open it. Oh my goodness. It almost spilled on me. Okay, so I'm just going to play with it. Oh my goodness. Why is there hair in my slime? My favorite slime. And why is it all over? That's not good, guys. Why? I'm doing a video, by the way, guys. Goodness gracious. My dad. My dad, though. He's making so many loud noises. I don't like that. So it got a little bit worse, though. It's like really nice slime. So I'm just going to flip the camera around. I'm mad at my dad because he just came in and interrupted my video. So thanks to you, Dad, if you're watching this. He's so mad. So. Okay. So, sorry if I'm like quiet, but I just love this slime like so much. It's just so good and it's not sticky, but you think it's going to be super sticky because it's like watery kind of. Like, it's just really nice. It's not like any slime that's not going to be like super duper stretchy, like not ending stretchy or anything. I don't know where one of my favorite slimes is. Oh, it's right there. Thank Bailey. Thank you. In 3rd grade. Okay, let's. Okay, ready? Let's make some noise. Just so good. So yeah, like and subscribe to Being a Pet Lover.